Hey guys, Sean, YouTube for Dummies.
YouTube for Dummies, YouTube for Dummies, YouTube for Dummies.
Part 5. And this is going to be the last part. Whether it breaks, the firing pin breaks or not, I have to move on to other projects and I can't just keep trying to break it again. I will update the channel when and if it breaks. I probably won't continue shooting with this 1100 PSI. I'll probably switch back to the standard Pepperball tank. I think that's more than fair, considering what this has been through. In the previous test, when it broke, it had 200 rounds on the standard Pepperball tank before I switched to this, so it might be a good idea to do it that way. Point made, setting your pin back with a button head socket cap works, and I've had zero issues feeding. It's had no negative effects and hopefully only positive ones. So refill my bottle. 3,000, 1100 PSI output. I haven't seen one of those in a while, eh? That is a 15 round. It is loaded with HP 68s. And I've got a piece of cardboard in front of my trap here, so I'm going to attempt to rapid fire these 15. And hopefully the cardboard does its job. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to have to slow it down a little. And also I got a 10 round mag of BKs to finish this tank off, if it will allow me to do so. Air it out. I'll chrono 1 just to show that it's the same tank, because I haven't pulled it off and showed you that. Oh, laser. I gotta try and hit around this mark here because that's where my Kevlar is. 468. So that is right on par with yesterday's test. So same tank confirmed. I got 14 rounds left. Let's go. That's about as fast as I want to fire. Some might argue that's not rapid fire. That's way more rapid fire than I ever do in the garage. So just take a peek, make sure that the Kevlar is still in place. And we are about 1,800 or so, which is odd because, you know, yesterday when I was banging these mag 10 rounds off, after about 10 I was at like 2,000, 1,900. So to bang off 15 in quick succession, it's as if it was more efficient, which would probably, I wouldn't say is more efficient. Chamber just had less time to refill on a rapid fire, so understandable. 8.1 gram BK Kinetics. Rapid fire. Uh-oh, that one didn't hit the Kevlar. That one came flying back. And I think we're done. That one was a little too close to call. So it's working just fine. Well, I got here. That one almost took my kneecap off. Oh yeah. She left some welts in the back of the trap here. How's that? Well, pretty sure these are BKs here that are making these little holes. Yeah, a little bit of a mess to clean up there, but. All right, guys. Part 5's in the books, and I will update the channel as it develops. Catch you on the next one.